Hi guys, in this video I will be taking you through my Notion dashboard that I use to keep myself organized during the recent NRMP Residency Match season to keep a track of my interviews, programs, meet and greets, personal statements, letters and emails, everything. So let's get started. Over here we have a minimal cover which you can obviously customize however you want. Now coming to the quick links, I have already included a few in here, that is a link to your My ERAS dashboard, Residency Explorer, Frida. Now there are many specialty specific Google spreadsheets and Discord chats that are made by people on the internet. When you get closer to the match season, you will find links to these on Reddit, and when you do, you can link them here. You can also include a link to your email inbox as you will be checking it multiple times a day. Over here I have included a link to Program List, which is a database with over 500 internal medicine residency programs. It includes the ACGME code for you to find the program in ERAS or Frida, the program name, the geographical location, the setting that the program is in, whether it's an affiliate hospital, university or a community hospital, or if that sort of information is not available, a link to the program's website, the visas that are offered by the program, the IMG percentage, and any other information regarding score criteria or ECFMG certification that could be found on their website. Now you can set a filter for any of these depending on your preference, for example for a particular visa or a particular state, etc. Now there's also step 1 cutoff, step 2 cutoff and year of graduation cutoff mentioned in here if that sort of information is available on the program's website. You can update the status here if you have sent a letter of interest to the program or received an invite or rejection from them. These 3 columns are for you to decide which programs to apply to. So after doing your research and going through each program's website, you can check these accordingly as to which programs are selected, shortlisted and deleted for you. Now since I apply to internal medicine, this program list includes all internal medicine residency programs. If you are applying to some other specialty, you can import the program list Excel file as a CSV file and it should work fine for you in Notion as well. Here I've added monthly checklists for the crunch time of the application cycle. I have added most tasks under a toggle. You can add and delete however you want if some tasks do not pertain to you. Next is a master calendar. This is where you will be able to see all your scheduled events at a glance, all your major deadlines pertaining to the ERAS season, your meet and greet sessions, your interviews. Now this is very important since you will want to reserve your interview slot very fast, just as soon as you receive it so that you don't end up in the wait list. So it's important to know which days you already have interviews on so that they don't clash. If you want, you can also actually add your Google Calendar as a widget using Indify.com instead of this Notion calendar if that's more comfortable for you. I will link the website in the description box below. Now this schedule an interview / meet and greet session is where you can add events. So what you have to do is that you have to search for the program that you have either registered for a meet and greet of or received an invite from, choose the event accordingly and select the date for it, also a time if you want. So here suppose I select say 2nd June for this one. Now you will see that it actually starts showing up in our main calendar with the appropriate label. This question of the day will show you one random question each day from a database of most frequently asked interview questions so that you can start preparing your answers for these early on. The entire bank of questions can also be accessed at this link called Practice Interview Questions. This LOR portal is for you to keep a track of your letters of recommendation, the authors and the stage at which your LOR is at. This progress bar will change automatically depending on the stage. So say if my letter moves from request sent to uploaded, we can see that the progress changes accordingly. Here I have included a pre-interview checklist for you to go through before every interview. Hit this button for a fresh checklist. Here is a countdown to when applications open to programs, 3 toggles for your own tasks for the day, a space for you to insert your ERAS photo. Now over here we have the interview manager. So every time you schedule an interview, that program will show up here in descending order of the date. When you open the page and choose the template Add Details, it will pre-fill the page with all the information that you must be acquiring during the meet and greet session with the residents and during your interview with the faculty. It is very important to keep a record of all the nitty-gritty details about the program, the schedule, the mentorship, the cost of living, things that are important to you academically like teaching, etc. so that you can make your rank order list later. This manager will come in very handy then. Over here is a toggle with brain dump to just jot things down and sort them later. Now this is just an image of what your goal is through all of these months. This add a deadline section is where you can add your own deadlines if you have any, like a scheduled step exam or OET. Now I have pre-filled the ERAS deadlines in here and they will show up on the calendar with this red exclamation mark and the appropriate label. Here I've included a checklist for ECFMG certification if you are an IMG and are yet to get certified via Pathway 1. Now personal statement section is where you can compile all the resources, blog posts, etc. that you come across and write your own PS as well. In this letter of interest section, I have included the email that I send to programs as well, so you can get an idea and write your own. Over here is a section for you to draft out thank you emails that you will be sending to the program director, faculty interviewers, and the program coordinator. So that's it, a simple Notion dashboard that includes everything to keep you organized throughout the match season. You can find the link to this template for yourself in the description box below. I hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching.